It's surprising, but you might be compromising the health of one of your most essential organs without even knowing it. Your liver is the detox center of your body, but what you consume daily could be overloading and irreversibly damaging it. Want to know a secret? The cure might be closer than you think and much simpler than you imagine. Picture transforming your health with just a few changes to your diet. Stay with me until the end of this video to find out which foods can save your liver and give you more energy and well-being than ever before. Let's start by talking about the importance of taking care of our liver, one of the most essential organs in the human body. It's the primary organ responsible for detoxification, handling all the food we eat, the medications we take, and even the substances we inhale or smoke. Pollution, excessive consumption of sugars and fats, and refined foods that are part of our daily routine all contribute to the buildup of toxins in our liver. This buildup can generate free radicals, the culprits behind degenerative changes in the liver. If we don't act in time, liver damage can become significant. In the United States, for example, over 80 million people suffer from fatty liver disease. This is largely due to the excess carbohydrates and processed foods we consume. The liver, overloaded with so much sugar, ends up converting it into fat, which accumulates in the organ. Let's start by talking about the importance of taking care of our liver, one of the most essential organs in the human body. It's the primary organ responsible for detoxification, handling all the food we eat, the medications we take, and even the substances we inhale or smoke. Pollution, excessive consumption of sugars and fats, and refined foods that are part of our daily routine all contribute to the buildup of toxins in our liver. This buildup can generate free radicals, the culprits behind degenerative changes in the liver. If we don't act in time, liver damage can become significant. In the United States, for example, over 80 million people suffer from fatty liver disease. This is largely due to the excess carbohydrates and processed foods we consume. The liver, overloaded with so much sugar, ends up converting it into fat, which accumulates in the organ. If you find this information useful and want to keep receiving valuable tips to improve your health and well-being, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Together, we can learn more and take better care of our health. Given this, it's essential to include certain foods in our diet to help keep our liver healthy. Coconut oil, for example, is a natural fat that helps reduce sugar cravings and promotes a feeling of fullness. Just 1 tablespoon a day can make a big difference. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower are rich in glutathione, an antioxidant that aids in liver detoxification and has anti-inflammatory properties. Foods high in sulfur, such as onions and garlic, help the liver produce bile, making it easier to digest and break down fats. Dandelion greens are also great for liver function, as they increase bile production. Which of these foods do you already include in your daily diet? Share in the comments below. And for coffee lovers, there's good news. 1 or 2 cups of coffee a day can benefit the liver thanks to its antioxidants. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, is another powerful food that can help burn fat and protect the liver. And let's not forget about herbs. Milk thistle, also known as silymarin, is excellent for repairing damaged liver cells and acting as a detoxifier. Another simple tip is to squeeze a lemon into a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps detoxify the liver and emulsify fats. Fruits are equally important because they are rich in polyphenol and aid in liver cleansing. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are excellent sources of omega-3, which are essential for liver health. Do you have any healthy habits you'd like to recommend for liver health? Leave your tips in the comments. But it's not just about adding these foods to your diet. It's crucial to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Staying hydrated, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly, and getting quality sleep are habits that make a huge difference for your liver. Reducing the intake of processed foods and sugar is also essential. By the way, don't forget to check the link in the first pinned comment. There, you'll find an amazing dietary guide that I've been using and really like. It can truly help guide your healthy eating journey. The impact of simple lifestyle changes is profound. When we think about hydration, it's not just about drinking water, but also consuming liquids that truly nourish our bodies. Herbal teas, for instance, can be incredibly beneficial. Teas like dandelion, milk thistle, and peppermint are especially good for the liver, helping in detoxification and promoting healthy liver function. In addition to teas, homemade natural juices without added sugar are an excellent way to consume healthy liquids. Green juices, rich in chlorophyll, can help detoxify the liver and provide an extra dose of nutrients. Blends of vegetable juices like celery, spinach, cucumber, and a touch of ginger are not only refreshing but also beneficial for the liver. Physical exercise also plays a crucial role in liver health. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, which is vital in preventing fatty liver disease. It doesn't have to be anything extreme. Daily walks, yoga, or even dancing to your favorite music can be effective. The important thing is to keep the body moving, promoting blood circulation and helping the liver process toxins more efficiently. Sleep is another piece of the puzzle. During sleep, our body goes into repair mode, and the liver works hard to detoxify the blood. Ensuring quality sleep, from 7 to 9 hours per night, is essential. This means creating a sleep-friendly environment with a regular schedule, a dark and quiet room, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine and electronics before bed. Besides the foods and habits mentioned, there are other superfoods that can be included in your diet to promote liver health. Beets, for instance, are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that help detoxify the liver. Nuts are also excellent, providing omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, which aid in liver detoxification and reduce inflammation. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are high in fiber and nutrients that support liver function. They help with digestion and blood sugar control, easing the liver's workload. Similarly, legumes such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas are sources of plant-based proteins and fibers that contribute to overall liver health. Another beneficial practice is including fermented foods in your diet. Foods like natural yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which help maintain a healthy gut flora. A healthy gut supports liver function since the liver and intestines work together in the detoxification process. Beyond dietary and lifestyle changes, some alternative practices can also support liver health. Acupuncture, for example, has been used to improve liver function and promote overall well-being. Regular practice of meditation and stress reduction techniques can also be incredibly beneficial. Chronic stress negatively impacts all organs, including the liver. Techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, and yoga help lower cortisol levels, reducing the liver's burden. Maintaining a positive attitude and a sense of purpose is also vital for health. Emotional well-being is closely linked to physical health, and cultivating healthy relationships, hobbies, and activities that bring joy and satisfaction can have a profoundly positive impact on liver health. It's important to remember that everyone is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Consulting a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle is always a good idea. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure your choices are safe and effective. Taking care of your liver isn't just about adopting a healthy diet and exercising. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports overall health and well-being, understanding that every small choice can have a big impact. From food to sleep, every aspect of our daily routine contributes to liver health. Share this information with your friends and family so everyone can benefit. Leave your comments below and keep following our content for more health tips. Let's keep making healthy choices, staying informed, and supporting each other on this wellness journey. Taking care of your liver is a key step to ensuring a long and healthy life. And remember, the most important thing is to start now. Every small change you make today can lead to big results tomorrow. So, let's work together to build a healthier and happier life, step by step, day by day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support is essential for us to continue providing quality content and helping more people achieve a healthier life. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos and leave your comments below. Your participation means a lot to us.